1-minute microwave cookie dough. You loved my previous one, so I thought I'd give you a few more options. This is easy, delicious, and any cookie dough lover's dream. This Valentine's Day, ditch that box of chocolates and treat your loved one and yourself to this amazing cookie dough. We're gonna start by heat treating the flour, so pop the bowls in the microwave and cook on high for about a minute. We're making 3 small batches of cookie dough today, the perfect amount to share with a friend. To each bowl, we're gonna add salt. Do not skip the salt. It's what really makes the difference between amazing, delicious cookie dough and bland, sad cookie dough. If you skip the salt and this doesn't taste as amazing as I promised you, that's on you, boo. Give the flour a quick mix. Whenever you heat treat flour, it can form lumps, so give it a mix and allow it to slightly cool so the chocolate chips don't melt. For the sugar cookie dough, we're gonna add white granulated sugar. For the chocolate chip cookie dough, I'm gonna do a mixture of white and brown sugar, and for the double chocolate chip cookie dough, it's really up to you. You can do all white, all brown, doesn't matter. By the way, the full written recipe along with the ingredient amounts will be in the description box and on my website, emmafontanella.com. And if you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. I post new videos every week. I've added the melted butter, the cocoa powder for the double chocolate chip version, and we're gonna finish everything off with some milk and vanilla. Now let's talk cookie dough, shall we? Cookie dough is amazing as is. Have it by itself with a spoon. However, I can't be the only one that loves vanilla ice cream topped with cookie dough. And I know you can buy it. However, store-bought cookie dough ice cream doesn't have this much cookie dough. Okay, it's like eating vanilla ice cream with some bits inside, okay, of something. What you need to try is actual vanilla ice cream and then some of this cookie dough crushed on top. It is so good. It's amazing. Now, the cookie dough will seem quite soft. That's because it is. We added melted butter and milk. So I'm going to add my mix-ins and then pop these into the fridge. That's really up to you whether you like a soft texture just like this or a more firm texture just like this. If you love cookie dough, you got a whole tray here, honey. This stuff is dangerous. It's so good. I'm telling you, put this on ice cream, top your brownies with this, put it in between cake layers, or have it as is. This is soft, sweet, and salty. It's delicious.